How to fix the Netflix app not working in your Android or iPhone. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about the Netflix app not working on your Android or iPhone device. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Netflix application on your mobile device. So for that, you need to open your Play Store if you're using your Android and App Store if you're using iPhone. From the search bar, simply search for a Netflix application. And once you find it, and if you see an update button, something like this, which is highlighted in blue color, tap on it to update it to its latest and newest version available. This will fix all the bugs, glitches that is not letting you run this app smoothly on your device. Now, after this, try restarting your device completely on your phone. This will also help resolve many temporary glitches or the background problems. If you're using iPhone, go ahead and press the volume up button and the side button and slide to power off. And if you're using iPhone, you can press and hold the power button and then tap on restart. After that, go ahead and press and hold onto the Netflix application. Tap on the eye icon in the top to go to app info. Scroll down and tap on storage and then tap on clear cache and also tap on clear data. But remember that clearing the data will delete all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding that. Come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. And if you're using iPhone, you can go ahead and upload the app and reinstall it or enable it using the App Store on your device. Also check your connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem is the one with the connection type. And if needed, you can also run a speed test to check your internet speed. Last but not least, you can try tapping and holding onto this application and then tap on uninstall. Tap on OK to confirm. And once it is completely uninstalled from your device, you can open your Play Store or App Store according to your device and then tap on install, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. If the given solutions do not work, you can go ahead and contact the app support team for help. And if the problem is on the app server, you may need to wait for them to fix it. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.